Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 10. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7. No help here, 1, 5, 7. And no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9, and no help here, 1, 7, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 5, 7, 8. Same here, 5, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 3. Oh, wait. This should be 5. No. We have 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. Can get rid of this 7 and this 7. So for this column now, we're actually missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5. Same here, 1, 5. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here makes this our 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. And that 1 makes this our 5, 1. And that 1 makes this our 7, 9, 1. And this 5 and 7 means this is our 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And for this box now we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.